Hi everyone, why are backdrop steps so important for your patio? Watch for some cool idea and a fun dye projects. Why upgrade your backdrop step? Find out with these awesome designs and tips at the end. Please keep watching these videos till end because in this video you can see that amazing incredible 50 plus ideas that enhance the beauty of your home and your patio also. Welcome to our channels. Today we are exploring the creative and the practical ideas for transforming your backdrop step into a stunning pathway to your patio. Whether you are looking to enhance your outdoor space or simply add a touch of a charm, these ideas are perfect for any backdrop. Yeah, you can see that different amazing backdrop steps. And backdrop steps are more than just a way to assess your patio. They can be beautiful, transition the amazing indoor living space and your outdoor awesomes. The different styles you can see that, and wooden steps with the built-in plates is amazing steps ideas. Wooden steps with the built-in plates. These designs combine the functionality with the natural beauty. The planters can be filled with the colorful flowers or a lush greenery, adding a touch of nature right at your doorstep. Yeah, next idea is a stone step with the LED lights. Stone step with the stable leads lighting installation along the edge. Stone steps with the LED lights are not only elegant but also practical. The lighting enhances the visibility at night and adds a warm, inviting glow to your patio areas and your backyard. Next idea is rustic bricks steps with the crapings vines and the wooden styles, and here and there so you can sitting and enjoy the evening atmosphere. Modern concrete steps offer us sleek minimalist designs that are perfect for contemporary homes. Wooden deck step is also amazing idea with the railings. Wooden deck steps with railings are ideal for safety and style. And the gravel steps with the portals played and the different colorful combinations of stones and wood also used, and different styles of plates you can also use, and die plates step with the personal touches. For die enthusiastic plates step for a creative and the budget-friendly option. Personalizing your steps with the painted designs and the small and amazing unique decorations to reflect your style. And the final tips and authors, no matters your styles or budgets, here is a perfect backdrop step designed for you. And if you like this type of video, you can subscribe my channel, comment, and you can share these videos with other friends, because in these styles you can see that different steps of your front of your home and the main gates, very amazing things. In considering the overall look of your home and patio, and don't be afraid to mix and match ideas and the different amazing things and show the very unique styles for your home members and your guests is also enjoy these. Backdrop steps are very amazing styles. Yeah, you can see that the different plants and the different steps here and there and the front of your house, the look like feel very amazing. the different steps, and 1 to 3 steps and more than 3 step and 4 step, and the corner of your steps you can add the plants and different privacy fence you can also add here and there. These types of steps are looking very amazing and good, and in which plant you can easily adopt it, and you can see that. Thank you for watching.